Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send an invitation in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our DMs and our teammates. From here we have to tap on the little person icon in the top right corner, and then we have to go into invitations to connect. Here on the left side we see received invitations, and on the right side we see sent invitations. In the top right corner we have a person with a plus icon next to it. If we tap on this, then we can invite others by selecting either create a channel and invite, or invite to message. Whichever we select, we can just go on, tap on share, and we get a link which we can send to the person that we want to invite. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.